Today we're gonna make chicken enchiladas. They are not only an easy meal to make, but it's a great way to use up chicken. If you like to buy those big rotisserie chickens that you can use for about 10 different meals, it's a great way to do it. And those chickens have so much flavor in them that this is a really great use for them. So here are the basic ingredients. You got around 10 to 11 ounces of cubed chicken meat. You got 5.5 ounces of cheddar and jack cheese. I like to use about 2/3 jack because if you use more cheddar, it becomes a little too sharp for the delicate flavors here. Then you've got a green enchilada sauce. Then you want 8 soft taco tortillas, which are going to be the perfect number to make this and have a nice meal for a good group of people. So we're gonna take this chicken and we're gonna run a ribbon down the middle of each one of these. So we've got our ribbons of chicken laid out. I forgot to mention we need to keep them about 1/2 inch to 1 inch back from the edge, so when you're rolling them, everything isn't falling out. So now we're gonna repeat the same process with all of our cheese. We're gonna save about 1/4 cup of that cheese for the end so that we can put it over them when they're coming out of the oven. So we're gonna have the next ingredient now that we've got all our chicken and cheese laid out here, and that is Tapatio. Now I'm using this particular brand because this is where I feel it's a vastly better hot sauce than some of the other commercial brands out there because it's made with water instead of vinegar, and that's why I like it the best. 3 drops per on each one of these. We don't want to burn people's mouths off. It is spicy, but it's not terribly spicy, and what it does is just adds that flavor component because the enchilada sauce is actually pretty mild. Okay folks, enchiladas are rolled and we got our 8 little cigars going here, and now we're gonna take this enchilada sauce and spoon it over the top, okay? And basically what you wanna do is make sure that you're as evenly coated as you can be. Once we get this all done, we're gonna throw these in a 350-degree oven for a 1/2 hour. Then we're gonna pull them out and we're gonna take that remaining 1/4 cup of cheese and put it on them and put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. All right, folks, here we have it, a beautiful platter full of enchiladas. It's gonna feed a crowd and make everybody really happy. Now we've got 3 things to put on there. We got our sour cream, our sliced olives, and our freshly diced avocado. So there you go, folks, a nice, easy chicken enchilada dinner, which will make a lot of people happy and is very affordable. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching Recommendations, and I hope you will like and subscribe, and cheers.